Hey everybody, I'm Joey, and today we're gonna try cooking a steak using only this charcoal chimney, a grill grate, and fire. So follow me and let's turn up the tasty. Okay, so we recently released a video that shows you a couple different ways to start your charcoal grill. One of the ways is this classic charcoal chimney. And we're gonna use a fire starter today. It's just a really simple way. We don't have to fill this up with a bunch of papers. However, instead of dumping this into the pit, which we would normally do, we're gonna put the grill grate right over the top and cook the steak. This is a great solution if you're only cooking for one person, but it comes with the caveat that we've never tried this method before. We've seen competition teams use it, but we're excited to give it a shot and see how it turns out. Let's get it started. So lighting your fire is really that simple. Just get a fire starter and this will be ready to go in about 20 or 30 minutes. Once it's nice and hot, we're gonna take this grill grate. This is just the center insert from our Weber kettle grill. It's an aftermarket product that is really nice and it's the perfect size to go right on top of here. So once it gets nice and hot, we're gonna come back with a tasty filet mignon and see how it turns out. All right, so this charcoal chimney is going nice and hot. The really neat thing about this is you get that concentrated heat. It's not gonna be spread out like it is in a pit. This is gonna be more like cooking over a vortex attachment in your Weber. We have a steak here of choice filet mignon, which we've seasoned with a grunt rub, which is produced by Code 3 Spices. If you're looking to buy this yourself or any of their other great products, go check them out at code3barbecuesupply.com. Great dudes, great company. Awesome products. So now for the moment of truth, let's go ahead and hear that steak sear. All right, so we're gonna let it cook here for about 60, 90 seconds. We're gonna give it a quick turn to get those nice sear marks on there and then give it a flip. I'll be right back. All right, so now we're done with the steak. It was a really fun cook. I've never tried this method before, but I've seen it practiced and I will be trying it again. It was just awesome. Got a ton of heat through there and let's see how the steak turned out. So, pulled it off at about 125 degrees. So a nice medium rare temperature there. Now, let's go for a taste test. In these taste tests, I always take too big of a bite, always do. So I'm trying to get it down to a little bit smaller size because it is pretty tough to talk while you eat. It's a great tasting steak. Boy, I'll tell you what, I've never tried this before, but I will definitely be doing it again. I mean, look, if you're gonna do one steak on the grill, this is a great option. What are some of the creative ways that you guys like to cook steaks at home? We'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you like this video, you know the drill. Go ahead and hit that big thumbs up like button, or even better, subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss another video as we continue to cook meat made easy. We'll see you next time.